Hi everyone, welcome to episode 1 of my Java Brick Breaker game tutorial series. In this video, we'll set up our project in NetBeans, create the main game window using the GUI builder, and prepare everything for our custom game panel where we'll draw the paddle, ball, and bricks. Let's get started. First, open NetBeans and create a new Java application project. I'll name mine Brick Breaker. You can leave the package as default for now. Next, let's create our game window. Right-click your source packages, select New, then choose JFrame Form. I'll name it Game Window. Click Finish. This JFrame will be our main game window. Let's set some important properties for the game window. Click the gray border of the JFrame or select it in the navigator. In the Properties window, set the title to Brick Breaker Game. Set the size to 800 by 600 pixels. Uncheck Resizable to prevent changing the window size. Now switch to the Design tab. From the Swing palette on the right, drag a JPanel and drop it onto the JFrame. Resize it so it fills the entire window. This panel will be where we draw our game graphics. Now let's make our custom game panel where we'll do all the game drawing. Right-click your package, select New, then Java class. Name it GamePanel. Click Finish. Inside GamePanel.java, write this code. This code extends JPanel and overrides the paint method to fill the panel with a black background. We'll add the paddle, ball, and bricks here in the next episodes. Back in Game Window, switch to the Design view. Click the JPanel you dragged onto the frame. Right-click it, select Properties, and go to the Code tab. In the Custom Creation Code field, type New Game Panel. Click OK. This tells NetBeans to create an instance of our custom game panel instead of a default JPanel. Now, right-click GameWindow.java and select Run File. You should see a black window appear. This confirms that our custom game panel is working. That's it for episode 1. We have our project, main window, and custom panel ready. In episode 2, we'll draw the paddle and ball. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.